guys, here is a Minka Aire ceiling fan. I don't know what it is though. I can't remember I don't know what model it is, by the way, but it's a pretty cool ceiling fan. Here's the remote. It's the air control remote. So start with the light. Yep. Now here's low. Yep, there's low. There's plenty of other fans here at this lighting store. Medium. Click it a few times to see if it'll take. Because sometimes this remote won't take.
Yep, there you go. 12,000, 16,000-ish. Let's see what this one is.
Alright, here's high.
It's the 12,000.
12,000 hours.
Yeah.
Actually blows a great amount of air, to be honest with ya. There it is with the light. And I'll turn it off. So yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching.